Hey, Juke. Hey. Hallo. Saly en Reintje. Bye. You can stay outside. I have to go. Hey, Saly. And I'm happy Reintje is just happy and playing and doing crazy, frisky. What do they see? Reintje heeft nog steeds zeer been. Ik hoop dat ik binnenkort een MRI-scan van kan. Als dat nog nodig is. Maar ik word er wel blij van als ze zo vrolijk door de bak galopeert. Peach, Spidey, Daisy en Glendy. Hey. En Glendy, it looks like she has more pain than last time. So I'm hesitating and putting her to sleep. I don't want the horses in pain. Hey Peach. Saly. En Reintje. And Teije Rein is inside for now. I have to go, but in a couple of hours I'm back and he can go outside again. And he is okay with it. I had him in the arena, but he is eating a bit sand, so I thought, no, that's not allowed. You have to go inside. So later he can go out. Saly? And Teije Rein. Saly just ate her mash. And now I opened the gate. Reintje, do they understand? Yes, Reintje sees it. Saly follows. Kom maar, Teije Rein. Will he understand? Kom. Doe maar. Goed zo. I have a wire here. And I have a wire there. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no. Okay. Okay, fail. I had a wire here, but because he lowered his head. Hey, what's that? Oh, it's a brand. Hey. But he just walked on the red. So, fail. So, I have it here. Okay, the weather is very nice. So, I wanted to bring the horses outside. But first I had to put a wire in the field, in the pasture. So I think this one is ready. And I think I bring a horse there. Hey, Teije Rein. You are the lucky one. You can go with me and I bring you to the pasture. Just like your mom, Reintje and Saly over there. Goed zo, kom maar. Oh, you can go that way. Kom maar. Kom. Goed zo. Well, there isn't a lot grass, but hey, he can taste it. The grass still has to grow. Okay, now I bring in Reintje and Saly. Kom maar! That works better. But I don't want them to eat too much grass. So they have to go in. Come! Hello? Yes, there's water, but you can drink inside. I help. Reintje and Saly. Yfke and Risey. And I thought they can go to the pasture where Reintje and Saly were. Please don't. Oh! Oh no. Well, they like it. But they have to eat grass. Oh. Okay. Oh, maar. And that's the reason I don't want the younger horses in the pasture that fast, because they damage the soil. Yes, you can eat. Oh no, there's another one. Oh. Goed zo, Risey. Hey, finally. Hey jongen. Goed zo, Teije Rein. Hey Yvke. Hallo. Hoi, kom. Hey. Risey. Kom maar Yvke. Risey. Yvke And where is Risey? Hello? Risey! Risey? Kom! Kom maar! Kom maar! Hallo? Risey, kom! Reintje Saly. This is Saly. And behind is Reintje. And over there, Teije Rein. You can go outside later. Risey and Yfke.